So from this Django admin page, you can see that there are 4 models which are present in the web app. The listings will be used to keep a track of the listing items of the auction. The comments will be used to keep a track of the comments on these items, and bids will be used to keep the track of the bids which are placed on the listing items. Okay, as per the specification 2, let's create a new item, listing item. I'll go for a CS50 t-shirt, and in the description I will write I took a CS50 t-shirt. Let's give it a starting bid of 4500 INR. The category will be fashion. Let's browse the image. So here is the t-shirt image, and now then we see a success message here. The listing has been created, and when we go to the active listings, we can see the t-shirt is already available. And as there are no bids placed so far, the starting bid will be the highest bid up till now, and the user which has been listed it, who has listed the item. Okay, according to specification 3, the default route of the Django application gives the active listings available in the auction, and to further elaborate it, I will click on any item, and now you can see here the bidding is active. Okay. Similar is the case in all the active items here. Okay. So now on this active listings page, you can see there are 0 watch list items in this user. So now let's click on this item here, and you can see an option here to add to the watch list. Now I will click on it, and you can see here the count has been updated to 1, and then you can see an option here, the item is in the watch list. Now if I want to remove this item from the watch list, I will click it again, and now here you can see the count is again 0, and there we can see an option to add the. Okay, now I have signed as another user, and now when I will click on this Hot Wheels car, and now there you can see there is no bid placed so far, so the starting price will be the highest bid. Now let's place a bid of 5 example 3 rupees. Okay, so placing the bid, you can see the success message here that your bid was placed, and your username is Sanjay here, and the 453 bid was placed by you. And now let's drop a comment over here that it's a nice car. Okay, so let's comment here, and you can see here there is a comment nice car by the username Sanjay. Okay, now in another case, if we place a bid of examples, say let's place a bid of 450 rupees, which is lesser than the current bid. So now there you can see a error here that the bid amount should be greater than the current bid. Okay, now in this case of this listing item here, that is an MI3 mobile. Now you can see here it's listed by the username Sandeep, and the user who has signed into the application is also Sandeep. So now here you can see an option that the bidding is active, and you can see an option to close the bidding. So now if I click on this option here, you can see here the item is been sold to the user Sanjay because he had an highest bid placed of the 15. Now according to the specification 5 again, now there is a separate watch list page here which will show the watch list items which has been added by the user. Okay, so now we can see here there are currently 2 items in the watch list of this user. Now if we open this page, you can see there are 2 items present in this watch list of the user, and if we click on any item, you will be redirected to the listing description of the item which has been clicked. Upon their categories, then you can see here these are the categories available here. If I click on the toys, and I will click on the apply filter, then you can see here the Hot Wheels is only present here. Same if I click on the electronics and apply the filter, you can see here the both electronics items are present here. Now when I open this Django administration page, now we can see that we can alter the properties of any listing here. You can change the starting bid, the current bid, the image, then the who has listed the item. If we can add the item to anyone's wish list, we can change the category and the status, and then we can click on the save. We can see here the comments which are done on the listing item Hot Wheels by the user Sanjay, or maybe Sandeep by on the MI3, and then the bids